just waiting for more people to come in. Okay. Ay. Okay. Siguro start ko na. Wow, that's a lot of people. Okay, siguro start ko na ngayon. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. So, ito ang nangyari. My official Facebook account, yung verified, and currently has 21 million followers. Sa akin po yan dati. That was my account before, created by GMA Sparkle. And then nahack. Two years ago, I think. So now, the Cassie Legaspi with a verified check is not me anymore. I made a new account na Cassie Legaspi na same profile picture as what I have here on Instagram. So, apparently, ano ba to? I had a consultation with some people from who are in IT, and they're saying that yung mga hackers na yun, nakikita nila na kapag pinapost nila yung mga pictures ko, videos ko, and anything like that, tumataas yung engagement. That's why they started posting as me. And so that's what they're doing now. And apparently ngayon na nagpo-post ako na it's not real, the account's fake, this and that. Ngayon nag-post sila ng statement saying yung Instagram ko ay ang fake account. Ang tanong ko, paano maging fake account tong Instagram na to if I'm going live right now? So ang plano ko is, if ever I get my main Facebook page back, yung Cassie Legaspi with a verified check, I plan to do an Instagram live just to prove na ako na talaga yun. But I can't do that because the account is hacked. It's hacked. So, paano mo gagawin yun? Yes. There, someone said poser. Yes, tama. So, poser siya. So, I've been reporting, and kayo, thank you so much for also reporting. Lahat kayo, I always see that you report yung Facebook page. Thank you so much. But apparently wala nangyayari, sadly. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and clear things out. It is not me who is posting sa Facebook page na Cassie Legaspi with a verified check. Okay? I'm gonna say it one more time. It is not me who is posting sa Cassie Legaspi with a verified check Facebook page. Para lang malinaw na po ang lahat. Please, guys. I have no idea why this is happening, but I guess this is a lesson din. This could be a lesson for everyone to keep your accounts in check and to always back up your accounts. And man, keep your SOCMED safe, guys. Keep your accounts safe. At saka siguro din, it's a good lesson for all of us to be more aware online, how to distinguish what is fake news and what is real news. I just also want to reiterate na let's not just believe everything that you see online. When you see an article, when you see a post or something by someone, be sure to double check. Asan ba yung sources nito? Saan ba to galing? Legit ba to? Edited ba to? Guys, it's a very the world right now is very much high-tech right now. So, it's very easy to edit, to, I don't know, to edit, to hack something, because again, very much high tech. So ayun, just be careful with what you see online, guys. I went Instagram live without planning what to say, so I'm just talking, I'm just rambling, I'm just going off about it. So ayun, to those who reported, to those who helped me out, thank you so much for your efforts. Thank you. At sana matapos na to. Because why? Ayun. At first, I really didn't mind it kasi nga, hindi naman ako masyadong sensitive sa ganun. But now that it's not only affecting me, it's affecting my family, my friends, my co-workers. Also, nagpo-post din about Darren, siguro, yeah. That's what I've been hearing, which I don't check the account because it just... Yeah. So, ayoko lang na nadadamay ng ibang tao because it's just wrong. Ayun. Naging emotional na ako. Grabe. So, I guess, siguro update din about everything is, right now, sa social media, medyo nagdalay low ako. But, yun, nagdalay low ako sa social media. So, ba't ako magpo-post araw-araw sa Facebook? 'Di ba? Parang hindi naman nakasync yung Instagram ko, sa Facebook ko, sa YouTube ko, sa TikTok ko. Kasi guys, ganito ako na tao. Kapag active ako sa TikTok, active na ako sa Instagram, Facebook, all my social media. Pag inactive ako sa isang app, I'm inactive with all my social media. So, it goes to show na bakit hindi siya consistent. Ayun. So, again, I'm gonna repeat for the 1 billionth time na yung Facebook account na Cassie Legaspi with a verified check, that person, that hacker, posted that this Instagram account is fake. So, ang tanong ko lang, paano to maging fake if I'm here, as in me, Cassie Legaspi, in the flesh, if I'm in Instagram live? So, ayun. Actually, ang plano ko is to go live sa legit na Facebook page ko ngayon, my new one. My plans to go live there to explain again. And siguro to gain the trust of other people again. So, ayun, I've been struggling with dealing with this hacker since 2021. Pero ang galing niya talaga, in fairness. At sana naman, sorry guys, sobrang random na nito. Pero sana, magtubig muna tayo. Sorry, kasi chumichika na ako dito. Okay, kalma muna tayo. So, wala lang, ang suggestion ko lang sa mga hackers, use your talents for something good. Ba't kayo nag-hack? Ba't kayo nag-hack? You can do so many things with IT and you choose to hack. Yun lang, bakit? So, my plan now is secret. Ayoko na lang sabihin kasi baka nakikinig yung hacker, baka ma-counter niya yung move ko. But, yeah. Alam mo, dapat maging artista din yung hacker ko kasi yung galing niya talaga na mag-twist ng information, mag-acting na siya si Cassie Legaspi. Guys, hindi naman ako ganun magsalita, diba? Super sure. Magaling ako magsalita, especially sa social media. The way I type is the way I talk. And the way that hacker tried to word the message was so robotic, so monotone. So, hindi ako yun. So, that's another tip for people online. If you want to check kung fake news o hindi, just check mo lang kung does it sound credible? Does it align with what's happening right now? Yun lang sasabihin ko. Like, ayun. Tsaka, personality ko is, if there is an issue or if something is trending, I don't try to milk it. So, ayun. I guess another thing I want to say din is, okay, let's bring up Darren. If there's something going on right now na to the public, ba't ko siya ipopost? Although Darren and I are good, we're friends, pero ba't ko siya ipopost ng ganyan? Like, nainis lang ako, ba't niya dinadamay ng friends ko, ng family ko. So, ayun. Sorry. Hack, pero nagla-live yung may-ari. Ayan guys, so wow. Kaka-hack lang po ba? No. I was hacked 2021. And I've been trying to get my account back since 2021. Wala nangyari. I reached out to Facebook as well. Na-decline ako kasi okay naman daw yung pinapost ni hacker, parang ako daw. And alam mo guys, I also want to explain that wait lang. Na ano yung utak ko? O diba na mind block. Sorry guys. By the way, nag-live ako sa kotse ko. Naka-park lang ako because I was gonna go about my day. I was gonna have dinner. But then I realized na I need to set this straight now with everyone because everyone is pointing fingers at me na why am I saying this? Why am I posting this? Why am I... So it's affecting me, my work, my family, my friends. So I think it's about time na I take full force action. Ayun. Ano lang sasabihin ko kasi nalimutan ko kung ano sasabihin ko. Wait lang. I was on a roll earlier. I just forgot. Guys, I lost my train of thought. Sayang. Maganda sana yung sasabihin ko eh. My gosh. Ayun. Sorry. Nakatulala na ako kasi I'm trying to think on like what to say. Okay yun. Sorry. Got it. Okay. Sorry, I'm reading the comments. Okay. So, ako naman, I'm the type na I don't really care much about numbers. Yung followers ko, amount of followers, amount of likes, amount of views, I was never one to really focus on that or prioritize that or just worry about it kung tataas ba yung likes, yung views, yung followers ko, ganun. I really didn't put importance to it. Pero ngayon na na-hack ako, well, nung 2021, nung na-hack ako, I realized na they're not only followers, but they're my viewers, my fans, my yellow hearts. Kayo yun eh. And ano ba? So now I place more value sa followers because people follow you for a reason. So nakakasad lang na people follow you, na-hack ka, and then they don't even know na, ay, na-hack pala to or hindi pala to si Cassie. Nakakasad lang because they might see me in a different light. The people who I care about, aka yung mga fans ko, ganon. They might see me in a different light, but ayun. Ang dami nangyayari, guys. Oh my goodness. Kung alam nyo lang, ang dami nangyayari. Pili ko na sa video ko lang ako. Sorry, guys. This live has been going on for so long. I'm so sorry. I just want to come on here and just say that, yeah, my, was hacked. My Facebook was hacked. And please report it. And if the hacker's watching, please don't watch. If the hacker's watching, can you not hack? Wag na lang. Ewan ko. Ayan, so I'm gonna wrap this up because I don't want this thing to ruin my day, to ruin my mood. So, imbes na magalit ako, imbes na mas-prak ako dito, magwala ako dito, I will just pray for everyone, for everyone's safety. Not only safety sa real world, pero safety din sa internet, sa social media world. And guys, don't forget to take care of yourselves. And again, not only for my sake, but for your sake din, aralin nyo kung paano i-distinguish yung hacked accounts, if it's a real account, if it's a fake account, or even fake news, if it's real news, if it's fake news, if it's a credible source. Let's not just believe in everything you see online. And ayun, let's just pray for one another na if someone's going through a hard time, if someone is having siguro bad thoughts or negative thoughts, let's just pray for everyone. I know it's hard to not react in such a negative way, especially pag galit ka, pag triggered ka. It's hard, but choose to pray na lang for your brothers and sisters, which is everyone. Ayun. Praying din na lang na may peace ang lahat para hindi sila tempted or motivated to do these bad things. So, ayun. Thank you guys. I'm gonna end this live. I hope you have a great great night kasi tapos na ang day. And yeah, stay tuned na lang sa mga social medias ko. And take care of your accounts, take care of yourself. So, thank you guys. I'm gonna go on with my life. I'm gonna go on with my day. At magla-live din po ako sa Facebook ko, yung legit na Facebook ko, yung hindi verified. Magla-live po ako dun. Probably tomorrow, I'll post it sa Instagram ko kung kailan ako magla-live. And magchikahin tayo dun. I don't know, mag-Q&A tayo. Let's have fun, mag-bonding naman tayo. I think it's time to reach out sa mga fans ko din. Ito na naman tayo. Na-miss ko mag-IG live because I always say bye and then I don't leave. So ito na, alis na talaga. Okay, bye. Thank you guys. And then my account, Cassie Legaspi verified, check. Not me. Okay, thank you. Have a great night and God bless you.